How to transfer Target gift card to another account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering if you can transfer your Target gift card to any of the another account, unfortunately we hate to break it, but Target does not allow gift card balance to be transferred to another account. However, you can use it to yourself, or you can even give the gift card to someone else who shops at Target. Or you can even sell it online, but you cannot transfer it to another account. Now, if you have got yourself a gift card, what you can do is to use it for yourself. You can go ahead and navigate to your account name. Then select on the gift card option. Select Save a new gift card, or you might find a plus sign icon, click on it. After which, you need to input the gift card number and access code to add it to your account. If it's a physical Target gift card, you can easily share with another person. However, for yourself, remove the silver strip on the back of your gift card. We hope that this video was insightful for you, and thank you so much for tuning in.